What is up, Southwest Fam? Welcome back to the channel. We're here at Apex USA with Gavin's car. The car's going to be getting dyno today. This is a 2JZ GE NAT setup with a RM54 conversion, clutch matches FX400 clutch, one-piece drive shaft. The turbo setup is a 6465 with a twin scroll 70 AR on a twin scroll XS manifold, XS intake manifold. Our custom throttle body, we've gone ahead and converted everything over, running FMS 1000cc injectors, drift motion rail, Powerhouse Racing twin fuel pumps, in a triple fuel pump hanger in the rear with a Dash 8 PTFE fuel line feeding the engine, Dash 6 return line all the way back, 10 micron fuel filter, you know what I mean, all the good stuff. Big boy intercooler on it. You can kind of see it hanging out the bottom of the bumper right there. So yeah, I'll go ahead and give you a quick B-roll of the car. We're going to get the car rolling right now. Danny just plugged into it. We're going to start doing drivability. We're going to do pump gas. I believe I've had like a 5 to 6 pound spring in it. So probably not going to go for too much on pump gas just because we don't really care. We have E85. We're going to go ahead and just kind of drain that out pretty quickly, see what it makes. But we're kind of interested to see how the turbo is going to hit versus going open scroll versus twin scroll, running a low AR, and then having cams in it too. The engine only has about 150,000 miles original on the car. Car had no leaks. Beautifully well-maintained car. The car's been in its family for a long time. So we're going to go ahead and just kind of see what it does. We'll see what the gear ratio is for the rear too, because you might be re-gearing the rear end here pretty soon as well. So stay with it. Let's go ahead and see what it does. So we're all hooked up to the dyno pack. Got our buddy Dyno Dan the man in there handling business. Actually looks really nice. I'm really happy with how everything came out. Got our power steering setup all in there, regulators mounted, you know, good to go. For all you Is300 boys that are trying to do something like this, this is pretty much how you want to do it. Running my dual ECU custom harness as well. I'll show it to you here as well with the Infinty plugged into it and everything. You know, no ECU in the front. I mean, look at the cleanliness over here on this side. Nothing, bro. So nice. See what that auto rear end ratio is. I don't remember what it is on the top of my head. 3.8. Okay. crazy because we're already at 270 torque and 260 horsepower at 5 grand at 5 pounds. I put a baby wastegate spring in this thing and the motor just is super healthy. It's looking like it's going to be really, really good. Unfortunately, we'll probably only be able to get to like 10 PSI. Would have liked to have done like, you know, the 12 that we normally do, and maybe would have hit that, you know, 450 or I'm not going to say 500, but, you know, it would have been cool to see. But for the fact that we're just going to be kind of playing around with this setup to see what it does and have it be reliable and nice, I think he's still going to have a really, really good number. You know, it should be pretty good. Let's see what she does. Yeah. I'm gonna up the boost from 4 to 5 PSI to 7 or 8 PSI right now and see what she does. Should be a little bit of a difference. Yeah, 4 or 5 pounds. E85 is in. Danny's setting up the idle. Everything looks good. So we're gonna see what she does on E now. That snail spinning. There's full E85, 350 torque with 318 horsepower. So that was actually only 8 PSI. Motor's actually super healthy. So we're gonna take it to 10. Probably not push it because we want this to last while we're fully building him this new race motor. So we'll go to 10 PSI and probably leave it, but it could have probably made way more than what anybody else has made, so awesome. Gavin's like, we're good. We're more than good. So yeah, I guess the cams and the system works really good on a good motor. That's amazing. Alrighty guys, well, we're back at the shop. Car already went ahead and went home. Super awesome day. We're super happy. You know, dyno sheets don't lie. It's pretty awesome. You know, 474 horsepower and 399 foot-pounds of torque is pretty freaking awesome for a bone stock Is300 2JZ GE motor. Like I said, the car had low mileage. It was very well maintained, and you know, just came out super awesome. Mind the footprint, it did get stepped on. Can throw it around the shop or whatever the deal is. But hope you guys enjoyed this video. Any questions, anything you guys want to know, go ahead and feel free to message me on YouTube, Instagram, any other platform, and ask whatever questions you need. You need a setup like this done, go ahead and hit us up. Don't be scared to go ahead and reach out. And until next time, guys, peace.